Hello, friends. Today in the market, there was literally a bloodbath. And if we really go through the full market since morning, we will find, that the Dow Jones was actually in the negative since morning. So it was showing, that market will open weak. And the basic reasons were that US stimulus package, which was supposed to have come, is now getting delayed. Second thing is the COVID-19 vaccine also will not be there before 3rd of November. That is the date for the US elections. And then was the US and China tensions. They were as bad. They were really very, very bad, as the Chinese president was threatening left, right, center the US. So all these things, made the Dow Jones futures in minus when we started in the morning. But in spite of the fact that Dow Jones was in negative, Indian markets also, follow US, and therefore, friends, in India, in India also situation is not very good. That is, Indo-China tensions are there still. COVID, there is nothing in sight for the vaccine. And so these kind of all these these things, they complicated the opening in the market, and we opened actually at the lower. We went little up, and then finally we had a bloodbath in the market today. The Sensex fell down by about 1066 points. Nifty fell down by 290 points. As a matter of fact, all the indices were down today. And the afternoon effect, was basically caused by DAX, CAG, and FTSE, because the second wave of COVID, there was a resurgence in that, and that actually plunged the all European indices also, and US, not US, I'm sorry, the British and the French governments were thinking of taking some drastic measures to control COVID in the forthcoming days. So all these things, they pulled down the Nifty, Bank Nifty, and all the indices, and hence was the fall. But friends, I must tell you actually one thing is that whenever there is a fall, there are big opportunities that always come with the fall. It is a share market, there are always opportunities and there are always threats. So, what happened was that it is said in the share market that whenever there is a setback, you reply with a comeback. Comeback means what, friends? Comeback means that you have to now find the healthy shares, because in health there is wealth. As it is true for the human beings, it is also so true for the share market. So all the shares will be those which are healthy, will produce wealth for you. Otherwise it will be very difficult. Now, friends, we see that in distress, as the day was today, deep depressed, where are the opportunities which are actually lying? So, friends, first of all, let us see actually the Nifty itself. So, this is the Nifty which I am showing you, and here you can see there is total engulfing of the Nifty here, and RSI is declining. And so is even the MACD blue line also is declining. That is also not going up. So under the circumstances, what actually we should do tomorrow. So friends, let me just convert this into the closing price, and just let me check what has happened. So tomorrow also, friends, I feel, because this candle actually, if you see the candle here was this candle was a very big candle. Whenever there is a big candle, the effect actually continues for a day or two more. So friends, but as far as tomorrow is concerned, you see, I so feel that Nifty can go up to 11,600, and which I am just showing here, it can go up to 11,600, and further fall, possible or not, will depend upon that how actually the Nifty will react to the news in the morning. So Nifty by itself, see, in the morning tomorrow, if the Dow Jones future is in minus, the Nifty is likely to respond very ugly, or it will respond in a very bad way. And as far as Bank Nifty is concerned, friends, you can see Bank Nifty there was equal problem with Bank Nifty also, with such a big red candle. Totally it is engulfing. And then when you see here, this is, the mouth is still open, but it does not make a difference because the candle actually is very long. RSI is down. And so also, friends, you find even that this mouth of signal line MACD and signal line, they are actually about to close. I don't think that they will actually close. Somehow it appears from the charts that if there is no bad news, see, if there is a bad news, this will close and market is likely to fall. Even the Bank Nifty will fall. But my own assumption is that whatever way we may open in the morning tomorrow, when the Friday we open, it will depend upon the Dow Jones future. If the Dow Jones future is negative, we will open little negative, and let's see then what happens during the day to this, because all these charts are dependent on the news. But now, friends, as I have said, that there are always opportunities in distress. So let us see, that I have just selected 3 stocks here. Okay, just let me see, to what extent this Bank Nifty can fall. Let me just convert it into the closing price here, and you can let it work out. So tomorrow, what happens is it has already come up to this place. Now the next target actually will be somewhere around 226. I will just put it here like this. The next target will be somewhere around this. It can fall down by another about say 200 points to 300 points. Bank Nifty can fall. So Nifty will fall, Bank Nifty will fall, but Bank Nifty, I think tomorrow the end actually of the day will be with the fall of Nifty and Bank Nifty both. Friends, the opportunities, now we see that in this such a threatening situation, where are the opportunities? Friends, the clear opportunities are coming, in the Tech Mahindra. Tech Mahindra, as you know, is an IT company, and yesterday it fell, today it fell, and tomorrow also I believe that it may not be very good. So to what extent it can fall down, and see if you can catch somewhere around 800 Nifty, if you can catch around 800, 810 Tech Mahindra, then this could be a very good buy, because the results of Tech Mahindra, they are due on 23rd. So I'll just write here that buy actually is indicated at 810, and the results are due on 23rd October. So 23rd October, so these are the two things which I am putting here. So, but you still have to check up with your broker before taking any buying or selling decisions. Then the next my opportunity will be, friends, in Biocon. Biocon also, 1, 2, 3 days it has already fallen, and today, the volume actually has little reduced. So that makes me feel, that tomorrow actually it might little go up. As such, it's a beautiful stock. And let me convert it into, let's see what is the target of this. It is giving on the lower side. The next target will be, friends, I feel somewhere around 423. The next target will be 423 will be the target, and then it is still showing a fall. See, you can make money very well. The results are awaited on 22nd October. And your buy price approximately, say, will be somewhere around 425. 4 420 425. If you get this, I think this could be a very good buying situation. But and even if you buy at this price, friends, it has got a clear here up to about 470 plus before the results are announced. And for Tech Mahindra and Biocon, and at the same time the third stock, which was Sudarshan Chemicals, their results actually were fantastic in the first quarter. And if you see here, this has also followed down a little here. And if I want to say about the Sudarshan Chemical, let us just check here go with the closing price to what extent it can fall down. And friends, it has already fallen down to this place. My next target, will be around 461. So if you get it around 461, buy price is around 460, so it will be a very good buy. And friends, the results are again of this Sudarshan is on 22nd 10, so you have sufficient time for it to go up. And this is my 3 suggesting buy calls. And if you find that, if you think they are okay, you can take a decision. But still, I prefer that you take a decision, with the help of your broker. That will be good under all the circumstances. And not only that, friends, I will say that all these stocks, if you say they are in the up, see the way they are up here. And let us check with Biocon also. Biocon also is in the uptrend. So they are all beautiful uptrend. This is a beautiful uptrend. Fine. And so let us see, this Tech Mahindra is a super stock. This is also in the uptrend. So as far as the trend is concerned, friends, this is absolutely okay. This is for a very, very long time. This is in the uptrend. You need not worry. And as such, this so this is like it. So this is actually, friends, what I wanted to talk to you regarding the 3 stocks. And actually, we should not we should not be worried about this market, because share market, the nature of the share market is that, and once the market falls, it gives you a beautiful opportunities to buy also. Friends, if you really see here, what has happened is that here 10 days, this share market has been going up. And I was always telling you here that, please keep some, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 days it has gone up, and 3 days, 3 days it was just having trying to go sideways, which was an indication, that with slightest news, whether it is strong or bad, it is going to fall down. And that is actually what has happened to the Nifty. After all, how many days, in a month, you will find that it will go up for 10 days time. So fall was actually imminent any time. So friends, thank you very much. Have a nice day. Please consider buying Tech Mahindra, Biocon and Sudarshan. I have given you the details, and check with your broker also, or financial analyst, number 1. And number 2, of late, friends, I am finding that people on Facebook are coming and asking me for requesting me to approve their friendship. I am doing it, but why not do it on the YouTube itself, from where you can have the direct notifications. So friends, thank you very much, and good night to you.